welcome back to the E-class of St. Xavier's School, Adipur. So yesterday we have done the exercise of chapter number 1, that is English Grammar 1, 2 and 3. Now today we will continue with those other 3 exercises 4, 5, 6 of the same chapter, that is chapter number 1. Now yesterday we have done chapter number 1, 2 and 3's exercise. So now in that one more thing I have to add. Now the third exercise, it was add and correct end punctuation mark to the sentence. Now in your textbook they have given you like this one column. Okay, in your textbook they have given you the column. Now I have given you the answer of this question, that is rewrite. Rewrite answer of exercise 3 I have already given to you. Now what you are going to do is, you will read these sentences and you will tick mark here that which sentence belongs to which section. Whether it is interrogative, declarative, imperative or exclamatory sentence. So that I did not tell you yesterday because I wanted you to first listen to the video. So when you will see this part, then you have to do the tick mark of those sentences by reading this. If you will read the question of exercise 3 here, you won't get the correct answer. जो exercise 3 में यहाँ पे जो question दिया हुआ है उसमें आपको correct answer नहीं पता चलेगा. So how you will come to know? When you rewrite, when you put the punctuation marks, then only you will come to know in which column you have to put the tick mark. Okay? So now we will continue with our fourth, fifth, sixth exercise. Write interrogative sentence which would be answered by the given statement. Now what is the meaning of that? That you have to first read the question. Read this exercise. These are the already answers given to you. Now you have to rewrite it into the interrogative sentence. That means question. आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछना है जिसका आंसर ये हो. समझ में आ रहा है? एक्सरसाइज में लिखा वही है. राइट इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस व्हिच वुड बी आंसर्ड बाय द गिवन स्टेटमेंट. जो ऑलरेडी आपको स्टेटमेंट दिया गया है, आपको क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से पूछना है कि उसका आंसर ये होना चाहिए. ओके, सो विल कंटिन्यू. आई विल पैक माय बैग आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट. व्हेन विल यू पैक योर बैग? व्हाट इज दिस? I will pack my bag after breakfast. So question will be, when will you pack your bag? It is 1 kilometer wide. So question will be, how wide is it? What will be the question? How wide is it? Prometheus brought fire to the earth from heaven. Prometheus brought fire to the earth from heaven. So what will be the question? Who brought fire to the earth from heaven? What is the question? Who brought fire to the earth from heaven? तो अगर हम सिर्फ ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि who brought the fire from the earth to the heaven, so what will be the answer? Prometheus brought the fire. So आपको उस तरीके से इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना है जिसका आंसर ये स्टेटमेंट्स होने चाहिए. The fourth sentence, I cannot close this window because its frame has bent. What is the question? Why can't you close the window? Why can't you close the window? I can't close the window because the frame has bent. Anshuman Ram is a golfer. Who is Anshuman Ram? This mobile phone is my mother's. Whose mobile phone is this? There are 13 birds in the picture. How many birds are there in the picture? I went to watch a movie last evening. Where did you go last evening? Rafiq's house is in Manohar Nagar. Where is Rafiq's house? This train will reach Dehradun at 4 o'clock in the morning. So, when will this train reach in Dehradun? So, these are the interrogative sentences. That means the question form of the statements. Now, the fifth exercise is write imperative sentence that can be used in each of the following sentences. Which is the fifth one? Write imperative sentence for each of the following sentences. Now these are some sentences which is given to you and you have to write it in an imperative sentence. Means make it into a, आपको देखना है कि वो sentence का nature क्या है. According to that, you have to make it into a that request, command or advice. Okay? Request Shoaib to turn off the light in the bedroom. So what will be the answer? Shoaib, please turn off the lights in the bedroom. वहाँ पे आपको already दिया हुआ है, उसने क्या लिखा है? Request Shoaib. So we have to request. So how we will request? Shoaib, please turn off the lights in the bedroom. Second one, a warning on an electric iron that one should not touch it with wet hands. Not touch it with her hands. Don't touch with wet hands. So it is kind of a command with an exclamatory mark. A website asking you to enter a password to log in. Please enter your password to log in. Whenever आपने मोबाइल में या ऐसे में देखा होगा ना, आपको हमेशा एक रिक्वेस्ट की तरीके से ही आता है वो कि प्लीज एंटर योर पासवर्ड टू लॉग इन. A coach shouting to a student during a running competition. A coach is shouting at the students in the running competition. The shouting means what? Command. So what it is? Run fast. So that is a command. Instruction to stick a photograph on an application form. So it is kind of advice जो instruction आपको देते हैं. Paste your photograph here. Sign at a public place asking people to throw litter in the dustbin. So what it will be? Please throw litter in the dustbin. What it will be? Please throw litter in the dustbin. An emergency helpline number and accompanying message. An emergency helpline number and the accompanying message is 1800 full stop. Call in case of any emergency. 1800 is the number and call in emergency in any emergency, and that is exclamatory. A line from a recipe note on ginger, adding ginger. So add a little ginger. So in this exercise, in imperative sentence, there is a request, command and also advice. Now the last and final exercise is rewrite the following sentences as exclamations. We have done interrogative, we have done imperative, now we come to exclamation. That is a rather strong feeling. Okay? So we have to rewrite these sentences into such a expression that it should have a exclamation mark. The tadpoles are tiny. The tadpoles are tiny. It is just a statement. Now we have to make it into an exclamation mark. How tiny the tadpoles are. How tiny the tadpoles are. So it is exclamatory mark. It is very silly to paint an ice cube. It is very silly to paint an ice cube. How silly it is to paint an ice cube. So जो normal sentence है उसके आगे हम how, what ऐसे words लगाएंगे ताकि उसमें feel हो कि वो एक sudden expression है, and that feeling will give the sentence a different expression, and that will be concluded as exclamation mark. The Grand Canyon in America is an amazing sight. What an amazing sight, the Grand Canyon in America. What an amazing sight, the Grand Canyon in America. Kuldeep Basu is a wonderful Basu is a wonderful fielder. So it will be what a wonderful fielder Kuldeep Basu is. And exclamatory mark. The socks Rohini knits are very fluffy. How fluffy the socks Rohini knits are. How fluffy the socks Rohini knits are. Again exclamation mark. The rotten meat is very smelly. How smelly the rotten meat is. How smelly the rotten meat is. Again exclamation mark. Reena Naidu is a talented chess player. What a talented chess player Reena Naidu is. Now you have noticed one thing. The verbs which are there. See, I will tell you. The verbs which are there like is, are, is, are. ये जितने भी verbs आपको एक normal sentence में दिया गया हुआ है. Now when we are converting this, see, this R comes at the end to make it into an exclamatory mark. So जो भी verbs आपको हर sentence में दिया हुआ है, that is, these are the helping verbs. What are they? These are not the actual action verbs. These are the helping verbs which we are having. Is, are, and all these are our helping verbs. So these helping verbs we are putting it into an end of the sentence whenever we are making a sentence into an exclamatory sentence. ये आपको हमेशा ध्यान रखना है. That's why I told you by the end of this exercise so that आपको अच्छे से समझ में. Whenever we are converting an sentence, a normal sentence to an exclamatory sentence, notice that the normal sentence में जो भी helping verbs होंगे, that will come at the end mostly. Okay, like here it is are, here it is how silly it is, here again it is, here again it is this, here again it is are, is. So these kind of a tricky something you have to learn so that it becomes easy for you all to for these kind of sentences when you change. So now what we have done the other three exercises. First you will listen to the video properly and then I will post the PDF. So first exercise we have done the tick mark of which is sentence is right or wrong. The next one also we have ordered the sentence into properly. जो jumble words में हमको दिए हुए गए थे हमने उसको order में दिया है. Third exercise I have given you the answer. Now only in the textbook you have to see the answer and to tick mark which it is. Declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. And this fourth exercise we have changed it into interrogative. Fifth exercise we have changed it into imperative. And the sixth exercise we have changed the sentences into exclamatory sentences. So I hope you all have understand this chapter properly. Now after this video I will give you the PDF. So first you have to listen to both the three videos properly. First the video of explanation of the chapter. Second the first three exercise. Third the last three exercise. And then I will post the PDF. And then you can copy it down in the text notebook. Now only the first exercise you will do in the textbook. Rest all the exercises you have to do it in the notebook. टिक मार्क वाला नहीं करना है. जो कॉलम्स आपको दिया हुआ है थर्ड एक्सरसाइज का जो टिक मार्क है वो आप टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर ही करोगे. बट उसका जो रीराइट पार्ट है फ्रॉम दैट यू विल डू इट इन द नोटबुक. सो सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ all the 5 exercises should be there in your grammar notebook. Hope you all are safe at home. Be safe and do your work properly and study well. Thank you.